Page 58, drill. This is in the key of B flat major. Just gotta love it. Two flats. Well, we've already had F major. That's one flat, and that has a B flat in it. The first flat in the key signature for flats is always a B flat. Well, the second one, we're adding another. Now it's an E flat, and that's always the second flat in the key signature. So when you have a B flat and an E flat, now we're in the key of B flat major. It simply means we use the B flat scale. You remember our half step, whole step pattern of whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half for all major scales? Well, if I start on a B flat and I follow that pattern, I get a B flat major scale. So here, then I go whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. It's a B flat major scale. Or as John Thompson would do it, it'd be this. That's what we're doing here on this and the B flat chord, which is 1, 3, and the 5. Here and then here. And that's what we're covering here. So basically that's all you're doing. In the next to the last measure on the first note, you see the left hand over thingy. Keep in mind the left hand is in treble clef here. So that note is a B flat. The left hand just comes over and plays it. That's all. That's all it's for. Hopefully you already knew that note was a B, and now it's a B flat because of the key signature here. Then you just add the rhythm. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2. This is the same pattern we've had on the previous drills when they do the drills on these different scales. So let's play this slowly together. I don't have a lot to say on it. Dynamic in this drill, it's not important. You just kind of play it. Speed, again, it's up to you. There is no speed on this. It's up to you on how it's got to be even and controlled. That's the speed, whatever you can do. Don't play it real fast. That's not the idea. It's not what this etude is about. It's got to be slow and controlled. You got to be able to think about each note. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play it together slowly. I don't have a lot to say on it. Let's try it out. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Repeat 1 and 2, 1 and 2. One, 2, 3, 4, off.